Hello, my name is Jason Miller and I'm the founder of StormStick Decon. I'm a 25-year veteran of the fire service and have been a captain for over 12 years. I sit on the Phoenix Fire Department's Cancer Prevention and Toxic Exposure Committee and have over 7 years experience in metal machining, welding, and design. Between 2002 and 2016, 61% of deaths among active firefighters in the United States was due to cancer obtained by exposure from their work. Cancer accounted for 70% of firefighter deaths in 2016 alone. Now, studies have explained that as firefighters leave the fire area, their gear is saturated with deadly toxic contaminants. As they remove their equipment, these toxins are absorbed into skin and breathed into lungs, leading to these increases in diseases, including cancer. We lost 2 young friends and co-workers from my department alone this year to brutal battles with cancer, so this is personal to us too. Cancer diagnosis and deaths among firefighters continue to rise. Studies have shown the best way to reduce exposure and the subsequent risk of cancer is by using water and a detergent on scene to remove these contaminants from gear before firefighters remove their equipment. Currently, the most widely used solution to this is a rudimentary and time-consuming system, including a bucket, brush, hose, and soap to wash off contaminants. Another solution requires the careful mixing of chemicals, then the continual soaking of equipment until an enzymatic type process is finished. These systems are used mostly on chemical and biological events. The final potential solution is a complex response utilizing structures, multiple stages, and lots of equipment and personnel. And these are mainly used on large-scale hazardous materials events. The problem with all of these systems is they're cumbersome to set up, require trained personnel to operate, and because the delivery is so time-consuming, they exclude smaller and more toxic events that make up about 60% of firefighter exposures. What if there was a system that could quickly be deployed on 100% of exposure incidents, didn't require personnel to operate, had virtually no variables in efficacy, and effectively rinsed away contaminants? What might be the impact on families and communities and even taxpayers if we could reduce premature firefighter deaths by 10, 25, or 50% by removing these toxins known to lead to cancer? Well, I'm proud to introduce the StormStick Decon system. This patent-pending system deploys in seconds, mounts to either the grab handle of a fire apparatus or our movable tripod system. Our unique inline proportioning system with detergent sticks binds with dirt, debris, and hydrocarbons and effectively rinses them away. Our system consistently dispenses a detergent solution at precise angles, pressures, and flow rates, allowing for an effective rinse in about 1/8 of the time of any other available system. Our basic system includes our grab handle bracket, discharge assembly, and the StormStick delivery system. Our most comprehensive system adds a 40-foot extension hose, a tripod stand, proportioning system with detergent sticks, a brush, and a soft carrying case. Our current retail pricing model provides for about 75% net profits given our current cost to manufacture. Our primary market includes over 140,000 current fire engines in service in the United States. The secondary market includes international fire departments, third-party response systems, federal agencies, and businesses with hazardous materials on site. Our current financial needs include money to manufacture the proportioning systems, tripod, and soft carrying cases, as well as support basic marketing and legal needs. We have suppliers, machine shops, packaging, and a commerce website already in place, and with those final items, we're ready to begin selling products and generating income. Our first phase goal is to begin locally utilizing social media, email, and word of mouth, as well as in-person demonstrations with fire department R&D teams, purchasing officers, and cancer prevention committees. With these direct sales, we anticipate capturing 1% of the primary market within 4 to 5 years. This would provide initial gross revenue of about $1.5 to $2 million. We believe this to be a realistic trajectory based on our current work and hopeful funding assistance. A more fast-tracked initial phase with increased funding would allow us to consolidate manufacturing to decrease production cost, begin aggressive marketing, hire staff, build infrastructure, and partner with distributors, which are the main supply channel for municipal fire departments. I believe by rapid upscaling, we could potentially capture up to 10 to 30% of the market in the same time period. In subsequent phases, we would move nationally, then work with apparatus manufacturers for factory install, then move to global markets and private industry. Our team consists of myself, my business partner Joe, our administrator Kristen, Greg and Evan are product specialists, and Creston is an expert in the decon industry. Additional needs would include legal connections and mentors for efficiencies in marketing. I want to thank you for your time, and I hope that you'll consider supporting the StormStick Decon system to help protect those who protect us.